Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretobeCreative, and I am here today with the Stuffy Collab boxes, purses, and bags. And it's been hosted by Poetspice here on the YT, Jamie. And so with her collab, all of the collaborators' names and links will be listed below. They're all going to make a box, a bag, or purse, and it has to be able to be stuffable. So what that means is it has to be able to put something in it. So you can put whatever you want in it, but you know, something that's useful. So with that, we're going to be posting again. We've been posting for the whole year, and it's always on the, is this the second, third, Saturday, whatever today is of the month. I think it's the second, third, I don't know, this third actually, I think, Saturday of the month. Yeah, because the first is coming. Yeah, so this is the third Saturday of the month. I'm sorry, cannot remember, had a brain freeze. But anyway, so I decided to do the ATC, and I think Jamie already made this in the collab, but I had the same die set, which I got from Tuesday Morning by Tonic Studio, and it is an artist gift. And as you can see, it fits perfectly for an ATC, deck of cards. You know, you can put a lot of different things in there, and it has, I forget how many pieces in here, but you have two different designs that you can, one that you can inlay or overlay, and I'll show you that in a second. I made them because I'm also in her ATC collab, and I thought this would be great to make this, you know, for at the end when I do my giveaway, I can have these as well. So anyway, I made a couple. So this is one just to show you how you can make it solid. So it has a little notch here, and it's empty, but you can see you can put a whole deck of cards can fit in here. I just put a punch up here, Teresa's column punch that says love. And that's all the mats that you get. So you can kind of see the matting that you get. You get one mat for the side and one for the bottom. Of course, you have to cut that twice to cover both sides. You get this notched mat and then that mat. So you can make it like that. You don't even have to put, and I had one right here. I forgot to fold it up. I just thought about it. That was just going to be a solid color. And so that's how it looks when you cut it out. And it comes with the score lines. So you would just simply fold on the score lines, boom, and make your box. So you can make it solid. You can add the panels on it, or you can take the die and cut into the paper, if you can see that, and you can use that same matting to just mat it, to cut the piece to go under it to cover it up, or you can leave it open if you like to see through the box. You can do that as well. In here are some ATCs, and you'll see them on my video on Monday to go with that. So again, that's one way you can do it. You can layer it on top, and again, you have options of how you want to layer it, but that's the second design, that's the same design, I'm sorry, but that's just showing a single layer on top. Here's the other design, which is matted and layered, and that's the other one, and it's matted and layered as well. So you have options, and there's some ATCs in there too, which you'll see those on Monday. On the ATC collab. So I just made 4 different designs. You can definitely decorate these. I didn't do that, but that is something that you can do. You can put some flowers, some word sentiments. You can put the person's name up here that you're sending it to, or whatever. So, or just the term ATC. Options, tons of options, and that's really cool. You can also, as you see here, make ATCs with that design already in it. So you're not limited just to the front of this, because this side piece right here, I'm sorry, this side piece right here is an ATC side. So you have options. So you can use that mat as a die, a separate die, to cut your ATCs out if you don't want to cut a piece of paper. But it's probably faster to cut a piece of paper with a cutter. But you can still do that. And then take those dies that look right here and cut it into the paper and have an ATC with a design already cut into it. So, or make it into a little card. So just some ideas that you can use that for. And then even with this one, you can actually take that little thin lace, and they actually have that in the picture right here, and you can actually like use this die to cut into the paper and lace all the way around, or lace through the holes and mat it. Just totally up to you. So there's options. I think it's a very useful die. I love it. Very simple but effective, and like as a giveaway to something cute, you can put something in it. So little trinkets, and of course embellishments fit nicely in here because it's 2.5 by 3.5. So pocket letters, things like that as well, which is the same as an ATC. But some people intimidated by the name ATC, they do better with saying pocket letters. So, but anyway, that's just some cute, quick, simple little box. So check out the other wonderful collaborators to be inspired. Pull out your machines, hand cut, you know, fabric, material, whatever you need to make it out of. We're open in this collab, but play along and do the hashtag as well. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.